5 email marketing design trends you should be aware of in 2024. Hi and welcome to a new video. Today we'll talk about design and design trends that you should be aware in order to maximize the conversions of your email marketing efforts. First of all, why design matters. Before we dive into the main content, why is design important? Well, have you ever looked at a website that looked old and outdated and suddenly your purchase intent disappeared? Well, you're not alone. A study reveals that 75% of a company's credibility is based on its design. Without trust and credibility, your CTR inside emails and in consequence your conversions will drop. In fact, 38% of people will abandon a website if the content or layout is unattractive. In short, you can't afford to have cheap looking emails or a landing page. Here's the problem. Klaviyo's design tool is great, but it's not the best when it comes to clean aesthetic design. It does its job, yes, but as you scale up and the more important branding becomes in your company, I advise you to invest in a designer or an agency to handle the designs and get them to a new level using design tools like Figma, Photoshop, the whole Adobe suite, etc. With that out of the way, let's dive into the first trend. Trend 1. 3D renders. Since AI makes things a bit easier, 3D renders are now more affordable and higher quality than ever before, and they allow for unique angles that are hard to get using your brand assets. Here are some examples. As you can see. Trend 2. Advanced layouts. I'm pretty sure you're aware with grids and how they are used, along with some solid design principles to create unique, attention-grabbing grids that showcase your product. Instead of your typical 50% width on the left with a paragraph and a call to action, and the rest of the width being used for an image, you get some modern layouts like this. Then we can move forward to the next trend, solid colors. Professional product shots are still being used and they are cool, but lately the solid color wave took over. It doesn't matter if you just cut your product in Photoshop or you do a professional photo shoot, you can get a great above the fold either way. Let's take a look at some examples. As you can see, solid colors, shadows. This one is from a professional photo shoot. This one is remade in Photoshop. By the way, most of the designs you saw or you will see in this video are made by the agency at Edgio. If you are an e-commerce brand looking to scale and you want someone to take care of your email marketing efforts, check our website at edgio.com. We'll guarantee that we'll add at least 15k in the next 90 days or you don't pay. On top of that, we are 100% performance based, so there's zero risk for you. To make things even clearer, we will work on a small but reasonable commission. If we don't generate you at least an extra 15k, you don't have to pay us at all. It's that simple. Anyway, back to the video. As works with them. I'm sure you're familiar with the statics because they work so good. It was just natural to implement them inside the email campaigns and even flows as well. The structure is pretty simple. You adapt the Aweworks with them static to fit inside an email and then you expand on the benefits, add some social proof and you're good. Here's the email we designed. So basically here's the Aweworks with them static, and after the call to action we had a short full of testimonial section where we showcased our USP and the satisfaction of our customers. Trend 5. Prominent CTAs. CTAs are a big part of the email. Without a CTA you won't have conversions, right? Or at least they would be way lower. But CTAs have been slightly affected by the design trends as well. At first it was the classic zero border radius bold color. Then it turned into a more stylish bold color with 4 or 8 pixels of border radius. Some people did the border button without a solid color, etc. But take a look at this button. So it's more modern, it's beyond its standard design procedures. With the increased branding and design innovations, users are now more susceptible to buttons like the ones you see above. Will it make a huge change in your CTR? Not really. Will it be a great differentiator in your branding efforts? It could be if it fits within your ICP, ideal customer profile. Also, design innovation like you see above was the best for brands tailored towards Gen Z. The older the ICP, the more robust you have to keep your branding so it's easily accessible from an UI UX standpoint. I hope you found some inspiration in this video and you'll be able to add some of those trends in your flows or campaigns. Like and subscribe. I'll post more of those in the future, and if you're a brand owner looking to add another 15-30k or more in revenue per month, check out edgio.com and book a call with us.